Want to know how to make Cursor AI write an extra line of code or print an extra line of code? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created various videos of how to get help with Cursor AI and how to write code in it, so make sure to watch it. So once everything is done, you should be under this interface right here. And now once under this interface, so I have this program written right here, and the symbol like Ctrl+A, which will select the entire code, and here you should be saying quick edit, the symbols like that. This will open up prompt right here. So since we're adding an extra line, just simply be specific and write what you want to print. And once I've typed in any prompt that you like, this symbols like enter just like this right here, and your line should be written right here, and that's it. Symbols like keep and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.